What is acid rain? It forms when pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide mix with rain, snow, or fog. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in raindrops to form sulphuric acid. Nitrogen dioxide dissolves in raindrops to form nitric acid. Carbon dioxide dissolved in raindrops to form carbonic acid. Acid rain can be as acidic as lemon juice, harming buildings, monuments and wildlife. Acid rain damages forests and crops, affecting ecosystems and agriculture. Acid rain makes water of lake, pond and rivers too acidic, harming fish and other aquatic animals. Stay informed, protect the environment,